Good evening, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones, and I'm going to go over in the next maybe 5 to 8 minutes a couple of great features from the Formuler GTV, and I'm hoping that this gets you to open your eyes a little bit to kind of what's available out there. Now, in the midst of everything when it comes to streaming, the Stream Machine's new YouTube channel is all about streaming services, the legal ones, all about the streaming devices, and also other stuff when it comes to streaming, because let's just face it, streaming is not going anywhere. The Formuler GTV is what we call an Android TV device. It's made to play at an optimal level on the Android TV platform. Google has made one that is fabulous called the Formuler GTV. They actually work with Formular to get this up and running, and it's available to you. Now, we resell these devices. You can there's a couple of things you could do. You could buy this device absolutely empty and get plenty of TV by itself. You can add whatever you want from the favorite applications that we'll show you in a moment. A second thing that you could do is, the third thing you could do is just, again, you could put a different set of software on it. You can actually do whatever you want to do. So, let's go over one of the best features on it, a couple of features here. So the first thing I love about the Formuler GTV is the Bluetooth remote. Most stock Android devices have a stock remote. It's like a point. You have a point right at the device. But the Bluetooth remote means I could be anywhere, point at my water hose, I could park anywhere, and if I'm in the vicinity of the box, it will work. Also, it's voice automated, which I really, really love. So let me show you what I mean. Let's see if it'll work. Open Google Play Store.
Launching Google Play Store on the GTV.
I might be getting ahead of myself, but Google Play on a Google certified box, game changer. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. So having Google Play as a companion is one of the features. So I'll just go over that. Having the Google Play Store as your secondary companion means you can find all of the up-to-date applications, not only to side load, but they're already on you have so many options to choose from. It is absolutely amazing. So for instance, let's say I go back to the homepage. Now I don't have YouTube TV on this device. Let's see what happens when I ask for it. Show me YouTube TV.
Got it. Here are some videos.
Boom. It's going to give me videos of what I'm looking for on YouTube. So it took me straight there. All right. Let me do this really quick. Open YouTube TV.
Here's YouTube.
So now, because I don't have it, it's going to take me to the Google Play Store so I can install it. So if you wanted to get Google TV on this device, all you got to do is learn how to use it and use the voice automated remote, which is awesome. So another thing I like about it is everything is connected. If you use your Google account, like your email, everything that you use from that email, that Google account, shows up on your TV. Let me show you what I mean. So I got YouTube there, the NFL Network, I got Disney Plus, ESPN, Sinclair, Plex, Tubi, Discovery Plus, Prime Video, Sling, even Spotify. You see what I'm saying? So, everything that's connected to my Gmail shows up on this device, which is absolutely great. Also, I love having some paid services. So the feature is the flexibility. Just the voice automation alone, and I'll use the last one here. Open Discovery Plus.
Got it. Launching Discovery Discovery Plus on the GTV.
So Discovery Plus is a paid service that I pay for, and I love Discovery Plus because I'm going to do a video on it. But it's that just shows you some of the benefits of this great device. Now, if you go to the Boxman.com, we have a GTV that we also give and provide you as one of our top sellers. This unit by itself is probably about $159 to $160 empty retail. You can get a great price on some of the internet streaming services that we would recommend to you. You would get some tech support and some customer support for as long as you kept that support service, and we will, warranty your hardware. We would warranty your software, not software, but your remotes and all that. We will replace that for free. Plus, we provide a lot of technical assistance, customer service, and just a place in a group on our online forum so you are not left alone. Streaming is wonderful if you have the back end all set. What I mean by that, you can purchase something, but some people leave you right where you are, and you're just stuck. There's nothing you can do. So that's one of the main things there is the voice automation and the Bluetooth. The second thing I love about it is, and I'll close on this as I showed this to you for in the first part of the video. Open Google Play Store.
Sure. Launching Google Play Store on the GTV.
Just the Google Play Store is the second and most powerful thing. Having access to the apps that you need, that you like, gets you a chance. It really gives you a chance to personalize what your experience is. And when you can personalize your experience, which means your experience is going to be top notch because it's what you want. It's really good. Another thing, what's the weather for the next 7 days?
Tomorrow through next Sunday in Oceanside, it'll be partly cloudy most of the time, but on Friday it'll be sunny. Highs will be around 78. Lows will be in the upper 60s tomorrow, then stay around 64 until next Sunday.
I like that a lot. I really do. So check this out. My suggestion is if you don't know about the Formuler GTV and would like to know how we can help you with this device. We get great prices on them. We give great support service, and we give great technical support. So there's three things that make this thing work. Okay. If you're getting the best boxes from us, boom, that's number one. Number two, you're getting the best services. Okay. Number three, you're getting the best support. That equals the best experience. That's what we call the Boxman experience. Best boxes, best services, best support equals the Boxman experience. Hey, follow the links below, or you could go to our free forum called Gumby's Den. If you do purchase from us in Gumby's Den, you'll get a 25% discount, and I think you don't want to miss that. We look forward to serving you. We look forward to helping you. Go check this out. Give us a thumbs up and let us know what you're using as an Android TV device. We look forward to the next video. Have a great day.